Road trip, Chicago to New York, New Year's Eve, the ball dropping. Are you guys with me? This is so exciting!
We're going on a road trip, boys.
And we need to be able to get to New York before New Year's Eve. Because we are going to go watch the ball drop. Dun, dun, dun. Okay.
We do not have enough money to fly, so we have to take a car.
So sad.
And
And-
we're all taking turns driving, which is 4 hours each.
We don't want to drive all the way, one person all the way through.
Because somebody will get into a crash and die.
Fun.
And
No
we'll
sleeping.
be tired during the ball drop.
So we will get right into the video so you can see how to do what we're going to show you.
Be
Wish us
ready.
Good luck, sisters. What we have to do is get from point B to point A. As you can see, point B is Chicago and point A is New York City. From Chicago to New York City, it is 720 miles per 12 hours. Boom! Like we said, we're all driving 4 hours each. It is 720 miles away, and that will be a 12-hour drive in total. So we are looking for miles per hour. How many miles will equal 1 hour? To set up the equation to find miles per hour, you need to see which number needs a variable. It is going to be hours since that is what we need to find. What you do is 12x is equal to 720. You take your equation 12x equals 720 and you divide it by 12 on both sides. 12x divided by 12 puts x alone, and when you divide 720 by 12, you'll get 60 as your answer. This will be the answer for the first part, 60 miles per hour.
Three hours later.
By using the answer 60 miles per hour, you will have to make a table. One side will be hours, and on the other side, it will be miles. Hours is X, and miles is Y. When filling in the chart, you add all numbers of hours leading up to 12. On the other side of the chart, you put 60 next to 1, since you already solved that. To find the other numbers, you have to multiply the number of hours by 60. You have to times it by 60, and that's how you get 120 miles. That's a little example if you needed help. You will continue filling in the chart however many of hours it was when we started. As the number of hours gets bigger, so do the number of miles. When you get to 12 hours, it should be 720 miles. If it isn't, then you need to recheck your math to see if it's correct. Once you've gotten all the points on your T-chart, you need to transfer those numbers into this graph. This is sped up, but all you need to do is put the number of hours, which is X, comma the number of miles, which is Y. As you keep adding those numbers, the graphing point will grow until it'll make a line. As you add the last point, you push done, and that is all you have to do to graph the points. So, to make sure the slope is correct, you can take literally any two of the ordered pairs from the table. I use 4, 240 and 8, 480. You label the numbers on the left of the parentheses x1 and x2 with one color, and take another color and label the numbers on the right y1 and y2. You take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it would be 480 minus 240 over 8 minus 4. This would equal 240 over 4. When these numbers are simplified or divided, it will equal 60 miles per hour.